If CapCut search is not working on your device, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and effective fixes that can get it working again. Search issues in CapCut are usually caused by cached files, a weak internet connection, VPN interference, or account sync problems. The good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes without reinstalling the app. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is clear the app cache and the data. Over time, corrupted temporary files can cause features like search to stop loading properly or return no results. To do this, open CapCut and go to your profile or account area, then tap Settings. Look for the option that says Clear Cache and select it. This removes temporary files that may be causing the issue without affecting your main content in most cases. Once that's done, completely close CapCut and restart the app. Reopening it fresh gives the app a chance to reload properly and rebuild the search function. If search is still not working, the next thing to check is your internet connection. CapCut features often depend on a stable connection, especially if you're searching for templates, effects, sounds, or online content. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better than the other. If your connection is weak, restart your router or move to a stronger signal. Also, if you are using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes route your traffic through another region and cause CapCut search to fail, load slowly, or show limited results. After disabling the VPN, go back into CapCut and test the search function again. Another useful fix is to log out and log back in. This can refresh your account session and update regional server settings that may be affecting what appears in search. To do this, open your CapCut profile, go into account settings, and sign out. After that, close the app fully, open it again, and log back in with the same account. This simple refresh can solve search problems caused by a stuck session or a temporary account sync issue. If the search feature starts working after one of these steps, great, you fixed the issue. If not, repeat the steps in order and test search after each one so you can identify what solved it. In most cases, clearing cache, checking your internet and VPN, and logging out and back in are enough to restore CapCut search without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix CapCut search not working, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful app fixes, editing tips, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.